Hi, my name is Seddharath Merrotra. I'm the head of business development and partnerships at Krafton India. Okay, so Krafton is a South Korean gaming company, and apart from publishing games in India, we are also investing in startups and other organizations to help grow Krafton's presence in India. That is what we do. We have our flagship game called BGMI, Battlegrounds Mobile India. And as part of our long-term strategy, we are planning to introduce new games of different genres in India in a couple of months and next year as well. If you can see at the stall, there are new games being introduced which will be launching soon. Yeah, so there's a game which is showcased on the other screen which is called Cookie Run. It's a running game, and it's a horizontal running game, very aimed at younger audiences. So that is something which we are really interested in, and we're planning to launch later this year. The office of Krafton is in Bangalore. We are planning to increase our manpower for sure. As of now, it's going to be in Bangalore only. But let's see, as and when we have more games and grow forward, we'll definitely see how we can expand to other cities as well.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for having me here. Thank you, guys.